Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody contacted me on one of my videos and saying his X5 is missing the twirl tool. Well, I haven't had X5 in a long time. The oldest I have on an old computer is X7. But I did a little research and I can't find any videos on X5 twirl tool. I did find it on X6, so maybe it started on X6. But just in case it was on X5, I thought we would show if he is missing it. Your twirl tool, and I've taken mine away for the example. Your twirl tool is normally underneath your shape tool. I have no twirl tool because I took it away. So if that's missing, he can go right here to the plus sign and go to your shape tool and turn the twirl tool back on. And then when you go to the shape tool, there's your twirl tool. Now, if it's not in that part there, it could still be missing somewhere. A safe way to do it is go to Tools, Options, Customizations, go to Commands, because twirl is a command, and right here under the search box, type in twirl, and there it is right there. So if you have it here, it's inside Corel. If it's not here, it didn't start till the next version, I'm afraid of. Twirl tool is pretty cool. I use it quite often. And just in case you don't know what it can do, we'll just do a little quick twirl of a line. Nothing fancy. We'll get the twirl tool, and you can, the bigger the twirl, the less it, you've got to have the whole thing in there. So the best thing to do would make a 5-inch twirl and then take it, click on your line and make your twirl. Really useful when you're drawing some stuff. So I hope I helped him. Maybe the twirl tool didn't start till X6. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.